Career and technical education has always been on the forefront of providing experiences for students to learn and learn best. Our programs are hands-on, and so our students are experiencing learning activities that include industry standard equipment.
The nursing program offers a lot of opportunities for students to get a chance to experience the healthcare world before actually entering it. The hands-on experiences we get to do involves a lot of vital signs, real-life equipment that hospitals will use, so we get to experience using that.
So we can take these now.
You're actually learning things about the career that you might want to go into. It's giving you those different options and showing you different aspects from different leaders and everything like that.
Go ahead and identify those things you can bring from home. I think there were...
The program that I'm involved in is the agri-science program. Through that program, there's so many different aspects to it, but with agriculture, we are completely all hands-on.
Each little net pod has a shelf.
Kind of like every CTE class that we have here, they kind of work towards you and what you can accomplish through CTE.
So it really starts with that foundation of students understanding really what is out there, what's available to them, so that they can start preparing now rather than waiting till after graduation to do that.
So I'm in digital comm and in mass media. In journalism, we take photos, we do interviews with peers and stuff here around school. And then we also do a lot of reporting through newspaper, and we also do football programs. The hands-on experience that I am getting is getting out there with my camera and taking my photos, talking to other photographers, just going out, having fun. Getting hands-on skills through the camera is probably the most effective way to get my photos, is just doing it, less so sitting there in class looking at the camera.
I'm in Stagecraft. It's a great program where we learn a lot of different things in the technical theater area. We learn everything from scenic and lighting to sound and even costumes and makeup. There's just so many skills you can learn in such a short period of time. It's so much fun.
Probably their signature burger would be McDouble.
We really look at what we're providing for them to be successful when they do leave us.
It is a huge opportunity to get scholarships, meet new people, and just have the best time of your life, honestly. It opens so many doors to business leaders and everything like that. My opinion, if you join CTE, you will have a better experience in high school.
Join a CTE program, whether it is journalism or a different one, it brings you a little bit of light into your school day, being able to be like, yes, I want to be here, and yes, I want to do this, and it gives me something to look forward to in the week.
You try something new and you find that spark, you're going to go so far in what you love.